Welcome everyone to Brick So Fun. You excited? Today we have the Fire Station 10903 Lego Duplo.
Let's open this up.
We're gonna open it very soon. Very soon. Okay. Get our knife here. Ooh, what do we have there, huh? Alright. Oh, it looks like we need some batteries and a screwdriver. Maybe it comes with those big this is instructions just for the battery. Okay, so here's instruction book. Oh, cool. So the batteries must already be in there. Okay, so let's see here. Step one is the dog, the two fire people, and the fire hydrant. Okay, can we find them? Should we open all these up here? Oh, here's a fire hydrant, it looks like. Or maybe, no, it's a fire extinguisher we're looking for, not a fire hydrant. Yep, there's one of the fire people. That's a fire lady. Ooh, this is loud. Okay. Here's the fire extinguisher. Here's the fire extinguisher.
It's a man.
That's the fireman. Got a fireman and a fire lady.
Yeah. Where's your puppy?
There's the puppy. Oh, the puppy's in his own little package. That's cool. Okay. There's the puppy. We're looking for the water. Looking for the water. Here's the water. Well, that's a big thing of water, huh? There's the water right there. Okay, now, yep, following it. Make sure that everyone can see that. There's, oh yeah. Cool. Blasting all the fire with the big old water.
I got a dial pit. Which a dial now?
Okay. Oh, now, yep, you're right. Fire pit's next.
On.
Got that on already?
Yep.
Okay, so fire pit is next. Let's see here. You have the fire pit right there. Okay. Now where's the flame? Where's the flame? Here's the flame.
Yes.
And then we're also doing a ladder with, you have the ladder there? And that's with this guy here. Yeah. Let's see here. There we go.
It goes on a dial truck on here.
Okay, well, first we're going to check this one out. Now it's the fire truck base. Okay, you already did that, huh? Wow, you're fast. You already got that on. Good job. Now, need this, 2 of these white pieces. So 1, 2, right here. Doing this one now. Yep, there you go. Okay. And then that axe goes right here. Is it sitting there? Yeah, it sits in there, huh? Kinda.
Where is my dino truck?
Where's your fire truck? Well, we're building it right now for you, Mr. Fireman.
Okay.
Okay, now we've got a little drawer inside a little box here. That's cool.
Peter! Where is a Peter go?
Okay, this one, oh, we're doing two of them. They go right here. Right there. And then I'll do the other one for you. We need to find another one just like this. It says two of them. See the other one? Here's the box. Here's the drawer. You want to try putting the drawer in? There you go. And that goes on that side. But make sure the drawer's facing out. Like this. Just like that. There you go. Okay. And now it shows one of these going right here. Right there. Other way. Like that.
Two ladders?
Two ladders? Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, now... Oh, that might be for the fire hose. Now it shows the fire hose goes in there. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's the fire hose. That lines back up. So this, it shows, goes on the side like this. I'll help you with this one. This one might be a
Where
little
is a
tricky.
rabbit goes? Where is a rabbit goes? Where is a rabbit goes?
Just like this. Okay, like that.
Where is
The
a
ladder's coming up. Ladder's coming up.
dino truck?
Okay, whoa. So that was the fire truck. Because now we're going on to the station. So we'll put the fire truck aside for now. Let's see. Make sure he's still in frame there. Go like that. Now, big green piece. Yep. Okay, and then two of these blue ones.
Got two.
Yeah, two right there, huh? Okay, those go. Okay. And then two of these gray pieces. 1, 2. And those go right here, so only half of it goes on. Like this. Like that. And like this. See down here? Right there. Yep. Okay, now two yellow pieces go. Well, first, looks like we do this one, and these get connected like that. Now I can do the two yellow pieces. Now it shows two of these ones, the bricks. Yeah, let's see here. No, these are smooth ones. Unless they are the brick ones. It doesn't look like it's a brick on here. Oh, it does on here though, the box shows that it's a brick. Yep, so these two brick ones, I'm gonna put one here and one here. There you go. Okay, so that's that step. Like that. Okay. Now what do we have next? We have two more red ones.
Ooh.
Oh, I see it. Probably meant to go like this, so then so there's brick on both sides. Okay, so do that with this one. So one of the bricks faces out, so turn that one around. Yep, and then the other one we'll put here so the brick faces. Oh, actually there are some smooth ones. So maybe these smooth ones go back here. And then that one goes there. Okay. Alright, now two red squares. These ones, okay, yep, we'll be getting to that shortly, but right here, these two red ones. Yep, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. And now we can do this door.
A copy's in Mickey Mouse door.
Looks like Mickey Mouse Lego door. Cool. Want to help?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now that goes right there. Or does it go inside?
It goes right here.
Goes partially, goes halfway inside. Okay, so that's that one. Is that step? Okay, let's set this to the side for now. Oh, what's this we're building? Oh, a little fire hydrant station. So this green one, this gray one.
Ooh, down these.
Yep, we'll need that shortly. So the green, okay, you can do that too. The gray goes on the green. You set it down right here, bud. Set the green one down here. The green one in your hand. Yep, set that down. Oh, look at the picture. Put the gray one on the green one there. Yep. Now you can do the fire hydrant right here.
No, what's this thing?
Yep, you got it right here. And now a yellow square. See?
Oh, here.
Yes, you got it. And now, is this a smooth? This is another smooth one. Do we have another smooth one right here? So this goes right here. And then that's all for that page. Okay, now the brick shows here. So did we have another one of those? No, right here. The brick showing. The brick shows right there. And then this guy goes on top of there. Okay.
Finish.
Oh yeah, we're getting close to that part. Okay.
Yes.
Cool. So that goes, let's see, here. Here, buddy. Right here. One here. And one over there. That's cool. Look at it. Ah! Oh no!
I thought you took that in here.
Is the fire truck back into there? I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's try doing that again here. Without breaking it. Ah! Just trying to get a close up.
Back up the fire truck.
Back up the fire truck. Well, let's keep seeing what else we have going on here. Okay. So now
Oh, die.
we're doing one of these. So this red square right here, bud.
I got these.
Oh, cool. So this red square is gonna go right here. And then we have a gray piece. Is it two gray pieces? Oh, it's two of them. And then over here and here. Yep. And there. Now we get to do that part. Yes. So, looks like, let's turn this around. Looks like this one's gonna go back here. I'm guessing.
It's a rooftop.
That's the rooftop, yeah. So that's for the first floor. Now we're going to be building a second floor on top of that one. Yep. Oh, cool. Look at a chair. So this is going to be like the maybe where the firefighters take their break and where they eat. That's cool. Some of these in here.
It's a chair.
Okay. The chair? I see it. Do you see it?
Yes.
Yep, you found it. Okay, so that's gonna go right here. And then these two bricks are gonna go here and here. Okay. And then it's showing another red square. And that's going right here. Okay. Let's see how this is coming along. Okay. And this red rectangle, I'm gonna put right here. And I'm gonna do two more of these gray, dark gray bricks. one here, and one a little further forward, right there. Yep. And then, ooh, the little fire station symbol. Oh, that's the alarm. Is there another one like that? Oh, right here. Fire station symbol. It has a fire sign, a ladder, and an axe. And that one's going to go right here. Okay. Alright, next page. Oh, look at this. A pizza. Oh, cool. That one goes on this one. And then the cash register. Or is that a cash register? What is it? Or maybe that's a simulator. This is where they practice their fire truck driving skills. This one? Yeah. There's that there. Right there. Okay. And then two of these light gray ones are going to go on top of the dark gray squares. Yep. Okay, and now we're doing a window. That's going to go on the red rectangle. Yep, and then two of these cylinder yellow pieces are going to go on top of the light gray squares. Light gray squares. Yep. There you go. So, oh, did we skip? We skipped these two white little arches. We're gonna go here and here. There's right here. So I think that one stays out like that, and then that one goes there. Okay. And now we're ready to go on. So two, is there another one here? These two right here. Those two are gonna go up here for an awning. Kind of like a little cantilever off the roof line. Like that, and then that one there. Okay. Now two light gray pieces. Two white pieces. First, these two white squares. I'm going to put on top the yellow cylinders. Do the other white square. Light gray piece. Yep, got it. And then those are going to go on top here. Just like this. And then that one over there. Okay. And now this red piece to top off the roof right here. Nice. And I think all we need is the fire bell, the alarm. That goes right in the center. And that goes right in the center there. So there's that. So yep, now he gets to back into his station right there.
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep. Cool. Now it's all ready to go. And then I guess this ladder's just to sit out. Kind of like an extra. You got a fire going on here. And that's to have on hand in case we get too crazy with the fire. Maybe the puppy can watch over the fire. Think the puppy can stop the fire? We'll put it on the firefighter's hand. Yeah, let's see if the firefighter can stand up there. It's so heavy. There we go. Put that there, and the ladder, I guess, will just kind of stay back there. And that's everything.
Yep.
Now it's time to play? Okay, cool, let's play.